Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So my today video is about writing task 1. I will upload more videos about writing module also. So this is my first video related to writing task 1. If you will like, then please do comment in comment section so that it will be easy for me to make more videos about writing module. So the maps below show the changes that have taken place at Queen Mary Hospital since its construction in 1960. So you can say it map. This is for 1960 and then changes in 1980 and then another year is 2000. So the explanation is the rendered chart illustrates the alterations between three different years that have done at Queen's Mary Hospital. So this is the introduction. The rendered chart illustrates, illustrate means describes the alterations. Alteration means changes between three different years. You can say three different years that have done at Queen Mary Hospital. So overall, it can be observed. Observed means witnessed. Yeah, it can be clear that hospital remained unchanged till the last year. This is a place of hospital and in 1980 it was same till the 2000 year. So it can be observed that hospital remained unchanged till the last year. However, farmland and shopping center had been demolished for reconstruction of nursing school and pharmacy. So this is farmland and shopping center, and after 20 years the farmland and shopping center had been demolished for what? For reconstruction of nursing school and pharmacy. This is nursing school and pharmacy. Okay, and cancer center also. In 1960, there were only 4 buildings, namely shopping center, hospital, car park and farmland. But after 2 decades, mean after 20 years, the area of shopping center converted into cancer center and pharmacy. Shopping center divided into 2 parts. One is cancer center and second one is pharmacy in 1980. Also, the farmland was modified into nursing school. This is farmland and it is modified means changed into nursing school in 1980. No change can be seen in hospital and car park under 20 years period. Hospital and car park, it remained same within 20 years period. On the other hand, in 2000, the size of cancer center was enlarged. Enlarged means increased by reducing the size of car park and nursing school. Okay, so this is cancer center. Okay, the size of cancer center is enlarged by reducing the size of car park and nursing school. So this is car park, this is car park and nursing school, and this area had been reduced or decreased to rebuild the to enlarge the area of cancer center. So hospital and pharmacy remained same from 1980 to 2000. Hospital and car park, okay, it remained same. Even car park area had been also decreased, although some buildings were stayed constant, but most buildings were significant replaced under the period of 40 years. Okay, there were some buildings which remained same like hospital and car park, but most buildings were significant replaced under the period of 40 years. So this was our task 1, and if you really like this explanation, then please do comment in comment section. Thank you guys.